Hi guys, Jones here from Apple 200 channel, and today I'm going to be doing the review of the new version of the 85 watt MagSafe power adapter. There would have been an unboxing of this, but unfortunately David did not record this properly, so therefore I'm just going to do the review. In the box all there was the MagSafe power adapter, some documentation on how to use it and the warranty. I had to buy a new one of these because unfortunately my original one, which came with the Mac, went and died on me. I smelt some burning the other day and then it blew up. The bit at the top is a repair job which happened about 6 months ago, and that kept it going for another 6 months obviously. So here is the new one. Compared to the old one, as it is obviously larger, it is a slightly larger power supply, but that's not much different, but it is a lot heavier. The only difference between this mainly and the old version is the adapter cord, the plug cord thing that goes into the computer. This one has been redesigned, it's slightly longer and aluminium now. I prefer this new one obviously because it's just slightly, I think it's better designed. At the moment this is quite new, so therefore this wire is not very bendy unless they've made it so the wire is a bit stiffer. So the old one is now dead, so that's going to probably go on eBay for parts maybe. I'll get a lot of money for it. So I'll plug this in and we'll see what happens. So here's the new end of the plug, and compared to the old one, this is very different, as you can see. So I'm going to go and plug this into the side of my MacBook. This can go obviously either way around. There's the little light, so you can go that way around, so if it's streamlined. But if I want to use my LAN, which is about there, I'll have to turn it around and pop it in that way around. So therefore you got this bit sticking out of the back, but it does sort of fit a lot more streamlined to the side of the body compared to the old one, because the old one was there and it stuck out a bit. The old one was quite nice, but this one here seems to be a lot tougher to pull off compared to the old one, which was just a little pull. But yeah, they've still got the legs on the power brick like the old one to wrap the cord around, but that I think is what broke the old one, so I'm not going to be doing that. So yeah, that's my review of the new 85 watt MagSafe power adapter. Thank you for watching, subscribe and enter the giveaway.